Here you go. Okay. It all seems to be online. Let's give her some audience real quick. And we are gonna start like usual. Hi, worship. Just gonna be fixing the amounts. Right then, let's get started. Just wait for it. Hello. It's so cool. It's so cool. Didn't have any mangoes before the stream. Hi, Andre. But I'm gonna be cool. I ate a sweet piece of pastry, so that should be fitting. That should be fitting. Gonna test out the market by the pure price section. And then I'm gonna proceed into the world of a big boy trading. 1500, here we're coming in. I didn't really cook up any stories for today, so I can just talk about, the motivation, the basic stuff. Because I wanted to have a speech about those. And I was supposed to. I wouldn't say that I'm stagnating right now, but I've got to find myself a new direction to move in. Because, the trading is good, earning money is also cool, building the frost fund. I'm prepping to buy some real estate. But got to cook up something else. Gotta start heating up the gym. Okay. The price action seems to be normal. A small plateau out there, which is gonna end really soon. The bet and the tendency towards the downtrend. Let me find the highest point. Here we go. And how it's been? Worship? How it's been? I also created a new pact, like, the new deal with a guy. He'll be just ruling my assets. So basically, I'll just reinvest the money from the PL into the futures markets. I'll place something into the Bitcoin because it doesn't really cost anything now. The whales are buying Bitcoin like a lot. The whales buying Bitcoin after the crash, and they're still buying the Bitcoin. They are still buying the Ethereum. BTC price. What's that? 104. Yep, you've got to be buying the Bitcoin right now. I'm gonna be doing that. Gonna be doing that. Gonna buy a few of those. Besides that, I plan to invest in some real estate. I'll use, the company's name to buy it. I also hired, not to hire, but, give some investors to give me some money from their part. Not like I really need that money, but I've got to split it. So our risk has no questions. Just, we use the paper guys to hold some value. And I use my friend's assets to do that. I'll just give them the cash and will buy something for me. Yep, that is why you can just trade the Bitcoin shorts. You can try the trading the Bitcoin futures, and it'll be fun. And I plan to reinvest some of my money from the BL. They're earning me some more on the different platforms. That is our plan. To buy some of the BTC assets, as it costs somewhere about 100,000 is for now, and it is a really cool thing to buy assets today and like make 15 or 20%, maybe in a few years. It is still better than to just give away my money to the bank. Besides that, I cannot do that because they ain't legalized, whereas we have questions. That is why I should be planning to do it with a crypto. Perhaps I'll buy something for myself in Dubai, but I'm not really sure about it because I've got to have, the residence. Besides that, I might encounter some legal problems in the process. So now I'm afraid to do that, but I've got to research it. Hi, Curly. But Emmett didn't see you in a while, by the way. So no expensive cars, no luxurious weddings, no luxurious dinners. Gotta be saving up. Gotta be saving up for the trust fund because I'm gonna give up the trading one day. Not give me the trading for the entirety of my life. That's pointless. And have that amount. I don't need to have that amount of money. 100%. I'm risking all my amounts every time because these are the binaries. I either get the payout of 88% or I get nothing. That is how it works. Yep, it's risky, but I think I can manage it. How's it going, Epidemic? How's it all going? How's it going? Thank you, thank you. It is really nice to know that you're fine, okay, and yet again fine. 1500. Yesterday we had a record overview, somewhere like maybe 1500. We had a lot of likes. Besides that, KMC, yep. The Bitcoin was bullish today, like by a big freaking margin. And what about 1 month? Okay, it fell down on the price. Half a year, it was spiking, but what about 1 year? Yep. It had a downfall to 82 rand in April. Should have been buying the Bitcoin. Should have been buying the Bitcoin. Bro, these are the binaries that are risking all the things. With the place on the trade. So basically, if I lose, I would just lose all of it. There is no stop loss. And if I win, I get the payout of 88%. Here we coming in, and that is how we do it. I gotta spend some time waking myself up, but this is just real stuff on my streams. Gonna be gathering some audience maybe for 10 minutes or so, and then we're gonna proceed into the world of a big boy trading like we usually do. And by the way, I forgot to turn on the lights, but I guess that's okay. I won't be blinded by the lights today. So I guess you're cool with that. Yep, you can see my face right away. There is no problem at all. There is no problem at all. I guess you'll be cool with it. Bro, stop spamming. I've already responded to you many, many times over. Yeah, well, Chip, I was playing it to him already. Like, I'm not ignoring his messages. Perhaps he just doesn't understand my accent, or maybe someone else, maybe English isn't his native. Let me get it down. Yep, many, many times over, because this is a binary. Maybe, I've got a delay, or maybe I've got something going on with the sound. No, I don't have anything going on with my sound. Okay. Here we go. Why it's different with mine? Because I'm sorry, I've got the YouTube delay, I've got the YouTube lag, I can turn off. Sorry for that. That is the way it is. Here we're coming in and the money is going out. The shirt is at 100. Okay. Didn't lose much, but I'm risking a lot. That is a 0. Jesus Christ. Gotta do something, gotta burn like 25 grand today. Mm, quite a bit sleepy still, even though I woke up like 2 hours ago. I could even see some sparkles of the sun. This is the Target Option Web. Why it's different? Because I've got a VIP account. I've got to make a deposit of 10 grand to get the VIP account. And now that you would have slightly more in a payout percent, you'll have like the withdrawals that would be a lot faster. Yep, we've got those easy. You'll have the withdrawals going on a lot faster. Like a withdrawal takes me 5 minutes maybe or so. And it can take up to 1 or 2 days for a normal account. That is why you want to be the VIP. Bro, I'm already like explaining that, but okay. Clyde, I didn't see you in a while. How's it going? Yep, I'm live every day, starting from 6:30 p.m. for 2 hours. 6:30 p.m. It is C-5. Didn't skip a single stream. I'm streaming every day at the same time, the same man, the same multi-seas. Train for me myself, I and my person for the first hour, trying to explain you some tricks and tips which are useful in the pocket option. And on the next hour, I'm just boosting the donations on the donation contest. The usual, the basic stuff. Yeah, we're coming in. Thank you, watching. Thank you for the reminder. Gotta give us some audience, and I'm gonna be announcing the likes and the subscriptions. What's a quiff, by the way? Okay. Okay. I didn't expect that. I've never seen that word before. You are bringing something new to my head. Okay, Manuel. Like of a fart of a cow. A quiff of a fart of a cow. You just Google it up. I can all. How's it all going? How's it all going? Okay. My kitty has decided to walk in. Yeah, me as well. Okay, man, you are free to try to copy trade me, I guess. If you can do that. Because we got some kind of a delay. It's fine, yeah. It's really fine, yeah. Kitty. Quips a minute. Bro, I highly doubt that the quips of the cow are sounding like pleasure. I highly doubt that. But whatever you wish for. Okay, now it's gone. My cat's name is Cat. It's retarded a little bit. Here we come. Trying to bat it, but it won't come around. Yeah, I can hear it. You can hear it as well. It's neutralized, so I wouldn't dare to call that here, but I guess you're fine with that. It's not a man anymore. It's just a unit. Here we're coming in. The morning goes out. Didn't get us for gotta be falling down to level 40, something like it. Besides that, thank you, Kano. Thank you. I know that the guy who just wanted to troll me. I didn't pay attention, but Learning what queef is a real piece of knowledge I needed for a long time. I didn't understand what I needed, but now I do. I wasn't a complete person without that. I didn't even know that something like this existed before. Discovering new things in the world every day. That is why I should label my content as educational. Because we're really like spreading the knowledge out there. Chico's where? I guess I'm just European. Sound like it speaking with my mom's accent. My dad speaks like that as well. And it couldn't be fixed with American schools. What time frame are you trading with? 5 seconds on the Canos and 15 seconds on the Dios. Supported with a bunch of bands, and as the case goes later, 14 free free. And lags a little bit. Like my internet. The only thing I despise about America is that we've got shitty connections in a rural area out there. I thought about using the Starlink because I'm living in a rural area, but Starlink seems to be, even having was delay than my provider. Yeah, I gotta have like 300 milliseconds of a delay. Yeah, 5 seconds Canos. Alash, I remember your PFP. I don't remember your nickname, but I don't remember your PFP. I've got a memory for PFPs, especially with kiddies. Because I love the finding PFPs from my Pinterest of fucked up kittens. I know I didn't really check it out, maybe somewhere about 90%. Something like it. We'll make somewhere about maybe 20k in the course of an hour, and then we're gonna proceed into the donation guidance boost. Here we coming in, the money goes out, it's already 10 grand. Yeah, I think we'll achieve even greater heights. It's an Odyssey, you can just drain them 24/7. Here we coming in, and the money goes out. No, it's okay, Kennel. It is okay to know something. Not blaming anyone. Took hours of there. How much is I started with 1 grand. I decided to go in right away. It's paid off. Here we coming in. And now I've got it. Yeah, I've got some of the nice profits out there. Got any questions? Feel free to ask those. To shoot some of that shots right here. Here we going in. The shots from my eyes place. My god. I didn't go through. Oh my god, I didn't go as planned. Alright then. Yeah, it's not much right now. You were right about chip. You were right. I use the transfer to the most basic one. Buff it up with a bunch of bands, and with the case was later 14 for free. Try to spot out the trends, try to spot out the peak points. Making comes from our lowest one, making sure it's from the highest ones. It seems to be the peak points and how it fall. Just a price action with a case oscillator and a bunch of bands. That is all I need. Here we come. That's an OTC, bro. That's an OTC. How can you be so ignorant? You've been told like many, many times in a row that's the PL, the packet option. Here we're going in. Nope, it's a video played of some chart. Okay, and by the way, I'm an AI person. I'm an AI person. And it's all pre-recorded. And you're just talking to the bots. 940. Like a lot, a lot. Yeah, you're the only one, Emmanuel. All the people in the chat are the bots controlled by an AI, and I'm an AI person myself. I'm a supercomputer eating somewhere in Germany. Hi to all the newcomers. How's it all going, my guys? I use the PL, the bucket option. The famous bucket option. One of the best trading platforms. We go right back already, yeah. Yeah, we're coming in. Boss trades like I see the futures. Thank you, Benjamin. Don't forget that warship is a bot. Don't forget that. And I am an AI person. And you've got to be spending all the night arguing with an AI person. Get yourself a... Okay, whatever you wish for. Gonna be doing that right on the stream. That's a good idea to move to Greece and just harvest olives. Correct for fanboys. Is it the thing they usually did 2,000 years ago? Here we're coming in, and the money goes out. Just move on the most point, and Mel makes some calls from it. Wait a little bit more. Here we go. Here we go. Yep, here we go. And here goes the reversal. The United States of America. I'm a patriot to my core. Gonna buy myself and have a RAM, which consumes only those. Oh, that is the PL, the packet option web. You got the link right there. And if you want to take the pagination counters yourself, you've got the link in the description with the first one. Being boy charts, mate. All right. But at first, I'm gonna spend some time trading for me, myself, and my person. Yeah, we're coming in. 2 grand. Yeah, here we go. We don't have a Locos today. We don't have Uncle Drew. We don't have the Phonics because the Phonics is slipping. Besides that, I'm gonna have the Paul, the Suzanne. I also gotta have maybe the Lost Son. And who else? Who else is also there all the time? Vija comes by the end of the stream. Trying to remember your nicknames, my guys, but there are way too many for me to remember. Mhm. Yeah, I haven't seen Paul in a while. Maybe he's just, watching the stream about San and FNL. That is the binary option web. That is a binary option. And we trade with the royalties for now. Trying to make some cash. Kurt, I've got to tell you something. I've got a wicked secret. So basically, I'm just a skilled trader, and that's it. And that's it. But okay, I gotta tell you now a more bit secret. I'm an AI person. It's all pre-recorded. You are talking to the bots, and it's all on the tape, and it's running here 24/7. Just making some jokes because I'm real. It's all live. If you've got any questions, you're free to ask those. Just I'm tired of the people saying that I'm not live or that I'm on a tape, or maybe I just all pre-recorded, because the discussions going on in the chat, and I'm responding to all the messages I see, and still people doubt that it's not a tape. Yeah, because enjoying his wins, because his girlfriend Susanna wants something. You want something as well? It is not impossible. Okay. Yeah, it's not impossible because many traders on YouTube just use the pre-recorded videos as the streams to promote their channels. You're coming in and the money goes out. Boss. Okay, baby. Okay. Thank you. Dance stochastic little. You can just turn on the stochastic oscillator by yourself. But whenever I move my hand, you wouldn't see it. If I move my head somewhere up, like to the left, you wouldn't see the name of oscillator, and people will constantly ask me about the name of the indicator. If Zenny is on list tonight, let me check it out. Let me check it out. Wait a sec. Yep, watch it. Thank you. Yep, the Zenny is on the list. Here you go. We're gonna post the list maybe in half an hour. If you want to take part in Nation Kindness yourself, you've got the first link in the description. Spell them out attempts, read the rules, and specify a word. And you have it. You have it. You have it. You have it. Here we're coming in, and the money goes out. That is how we do it. What's my confirmation over trade? The lowest point, the highest point. Being oversold, being overbought. Besides that, the candlestick formations, the dark clouds. The hammers. Yeah, all that kind of stuff goes out there. For example, as for now, I've just picked the lowest point, made some calls, and we went through. Sometimes I miss out on them, but it works almost flawlessly. Here we're coming in, and the money goes out. So below 280 and 80 and crossovers. Yep, you're right. And the candlestick patterns. Yeah, you've got a lot of something about the candlestick patterns, maybe about the candlestick psychology and the price action movement. But basically, we've got to like we have a PNL 65 to 70%, you just gotta have to identify the uptrends and downtrends. You've got to identify the lowest points because you can just walk by the trend without any of those happening on the screen. So now I've got, yeah, we've got an uptrend. We've got an uptrend right there. If I was like more brave in this current moment, I would have been able to double my balance with just one toe in, but I wouldn't be doing that. Here we go. I go right about there. We just walk by the trend. I see it because we might have a potential to break the level and stuck on the level 100, and that is how we'll make it. Here we coming in. The money goes out. 1800. That is how we do it. That is how we do it. Is it a bot that opens and closes the trades? I guess that I'm a bot then. An AI person connected straight to the PC. Now it's manual, of course, it's manual. Most of the bots don't work properly for the pocket option. It's got a lower level of defense. Patrick Love, didn't see you in a while. Didn't see you in a while. How's it going? How's it going, my bro? How is it going? Is it all fun? Is it all great? Is it all nice? Is it all clean? Is it all cool? Just wondering. 1800, here we've got it. Yeah, we haven't got it. Makes you win at first, so then you lose it all, because you lose it all due to the low skill, I guess. You're just lucky by the start. But the PO doesn't make you lose yourself. Everyone loses at this moment. Everyone has made a deal. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna be waiting for you. So that is just a skill issue. You gotta be trained on the demo. That is why I tell people to not never ever deposit the money you're free to lose. Besides that, use the demo to train yourself, you know, to go through some of the strats. Yeah, when going in and the money goes out. Shut out there. Seems to be the highest one. No, that's not the highest one. But I'm expecting a reversal. But the stochastic oscillator is 1433 and the Bollinger Bands is default. The B is default. Here we're coming in. And the money goes out. What are you doing? Am I doing exactly? You're new to trading. Basically, I'm scalping the silver OTC. I'm using the 15 seconds time frame on the deals, 5 seconds on the candles. It's all backed up by the default Bollinger Bands. And we're also using the stochastic oscillator 1433 to identify if the graph is overbought or oversold, to identify the trends. And that is what we do. The place for trades on the peak points of the trends on either the lowest point, we just make a call, or on the highest one to shut it out there. We might as well walk by the trend, but it doesn't really happen very often. Usually I just wait for the reversals to occur. But basically, yep, I'm using the trend strat. If you want to try it out yourself, you've got to use the PO and try it out on the demo first, because I don't want to lose the money due to the stupid mistakes. Got to be training on the demo. Got to be training on the demo. 1800, here we coming in, and the money goes out. We're gonna start a nation contest in somewhere about 20 minutes. And if you want to take part in a nation contest yourself, you've got the first link in the description. If you want to ask me some like private question, or maybe talk about the stuff which is in public, you're free to contact me through a third link in the description. How about a sold upper band, low band, price action psychology? Yep, you're right. the basic stuff, but it works. Try out different strats. Try going up different strats. Try them out on a demo. Stick to whatever suits you. Try out different OTCs on a demo. You know, just have an infinite paper money. The PO allows you to do that. That will allow you to replenish your paper balance. You're coming in and the money goes out 1700. 13 grand. Verify 14 is also goaded as well with a pair. In a pair with an alligator. Verify 14, yep. Whatever works for you, my guy. Whatever works for you. That is the beauty of it, right? Any strat can work out. There is no wrong way to trade. But if you lose all the time, there is a problem somewhere which you don't know about yet. You gotta uncover it to be a profitable trader. Besides, we've already made up 17 grand out there. Let's try to make it bigger and better and bigger and better. 1800, here we're coming in, and the money goes out. 1800. That's how we do it. That is how we do it. I go right about that. I go right about now. That is how we do it. Here we're coming in. Yeah, we're coming in. My god, that is a draw. And a win. Oh, yeah, it suits me. That suits me. Oh, that's a loss. Actually, that's a loss. Jesus Christ. Okay, it happens. It happens. We'll lost 60 bucks out of it. But it's okay. Yep, we don't have really enough people for today, but I guess that is okay. That is okay. That's a Sunday. Everybody's got to relax somehow. Gotta scratch my nose a little bit. And here we're coming in. All right, man. By the way, I've got a referral for aquatics. Wait a bit. Wait a bit. Because the PO did me wrong as well. They've decided to turn off the social trading tool for me. They decided to turn off the referral links for me. So now I'm just, using the aquatics one. Because the aquatics is cool as well. I'm now. And I've got other questions to give you the answers. What do you want to know? What do you want to know? PPO is a great platform. But sometimes, yep, like all the platforms, it got its own problems. But it's good. It's good. The United States of America. Okay, we've got an embedded rating. Great. It's just great. Just be careful. Set out the psychological stop loss for yourself. That is great to hear. That is great to hear, life. To see the man who's actually put in some effort into his life and learning. The shoulder goes in, the money goes out. Have I tried meme coins? No, I won't, because there are scams and rug pulls. That is the only purpose why the meme coins are created in the first place. Like if I would want or we would like to end my career of a trade, I would just create a meme coin, I would scam all of you and I would just move to the Fallout. But I wouldn't be doing that because it's an obvious scam and you shouldn't fall for it. The meme coins are scam. Their price movements are directed purely by the creators. Like if Elon Musk wants the Dogecoin to cost a lot today and he wants to withdraw something from it, he'll just post something on Twitter about the future of the Dogecoin, and people will rush to buy it, and he'll send it in the meanwhile. And he'll just sell it in the meanwhile. The same thing happened with the hamster coin. Everyone thought that we're gonna earn something from a hamster coin. But when everyone rushed to sell it, there was no one to buy it, and now it costs next to nothing. You could only earn something from a nut coin, from maybe something else if I got a name. But yeah, the nut coin was one of the first ones. The meme coins are not the future of trading. Just in a scam, Barack poos. You might earn something, but the volatility is crazy. If you want to earn something, you've got to trade the futures of a Bitcoin. You've got to buy the Bitcoin itself as an asset. 3K to 20K now, bro. Now I've got to stop it. I've got to stop it somewhere. We're gonna boost the donations maybe in 20 minutes, something like it. I'm gonna hook the list somewhere to the top of the screen, and we're gonna be doing the same stuff. Got any questions? Feel free to ask if you want to discuss any topic besides a political, racist, or maybe just a bad one. You're free to do it in the chat. I'll be trying to respond to you. Because half of my brain works for the chat, half of my brain works for the trading. Shoot. Here we're going in. Wait for it, wait for it. Just wait for it. Should be right there. Hi, Tom. Didn't see you in a while. I remember your nickname, but I didn't see you in a while. How's it all going? How's it all going? How's it all going? Just asking. I have a guy with an unreadable nickname. How's it all going? Got any questions? Feel free to ask those. Feel free to ask those. Hi, Samuel. Yeah, we've got some new people in the chat. We've got some fresh blood in the chat. You want to discuss something? You're just free to do that. But it's for now. We are just training for me, myself, and I, and my person, and we're quite profitable with that. No, it's manual. Yeah, but it's just scalping. We're big points. We're training psychology, the candlestick patterns, the price movement. Should it right there. I should it right here. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Are you about Avalanche? Avalanche MGT. How's it going? How is it going? How is it all going? How long the game in LTD? How is it going? Got anything to discuss? Got any questions to ask? Feel free to ask those. Gonna be starting Nation contest in 15 minutes. Be sure to participate. You've got the first link in the description. Thank you, kindly. You've got the third one. BBB is default. BBB is just default. That is 0. Jesus Christ. Oh, meme coins, and it seems there is a divergence in long request for meme coins. Yeah, it's just a bot. With the Bitcoin going, while the Bitcoin won't cost shit in the year's months, you just gotta buy it as an asset. Or you can just, buy the futures for the short term. Or I can just short it on the futures and that's it. Spot out the moment. It doesn't cost a shit, but why else I'm buying the Bitcoin now? It's gonna be pricey in the next year. Short. Here we coming in, $1,800. Moving closer, moving closer, moving even closer. Here we're coming in. Here we're coming in. The money goes out. It goes right there. It goes right there. Got any questions? Feel free to ask the host. I've got not so lot of chat on that stream, but it's okay. It's a Sunday, so who cares? Who really cares about it? Besides that, I'm not really sleepy, but I just want to sit down, and trade and trade and trade and trade. I'm like a trading computer. I'm like a trading PC these days. I feel myself for lonely because my friends are just trading all the time. Besides that, we've got different sleep schedules, and I don't want to fix mine. I just sleep during the day. And once you gotta find the lowest one or the highest one, or you just have to walk by the trend and get some gold in the end. That is how it works. South African essence. But while I'm here, you think there will be an out season? That is the thing of the past, because the Trump ain't gonna give you away the money. And the Trump ain't gonna give away free money anymore. I highly doubt that. For the new out season to become, you need the fresh blood to come in. You need the fresh blood. You've got to have more like red odds just pouring their money into the drain, pumping the money into the crypto to profit something out of that. Because the crypto was a new thing back then, and besides that, Trump has given away money due to the COVID issues. And that is how the out season happened. To have a new out season, you've got to hook up the kids from a school to spend their lunch money on some shitty meme coins and to do it countrywide. That is how they'll be able to profit from it. But as for now, it ain't possible. If I became the president of the United States, I would just force the people to buy my shit coin and I would become rich overnight. But what would happen, I would just be impeached. The next day, that is what I've got to do it sketchy. Well, BlackRock owns it. If a BlackRock allows you to earn where BlackRock allows you to earn. I'm glad to see your computers out there, sitting around the United States and thrown all across the world, calculating the price movements all the time. The only thing that BlackRock can do is, have the military influence. That is what BlackRock tries to buy the cities that bolts the influence in the governments nowadays. It's quite a bit successful with that one, especially in the third world countries. It can buy China, it can buy Russia, it cannot buy maybe no, it can buy almost everyone who was there. I can buy third world countries for sure. Stephen Blaze Kennel, Zenny McQueen. Okay, I've got the list. Here we're coming in. I am gonna be with some donations in 9 minutes, something like it, maybe 5. And okay. Because I've already made it up to 30k. Keeping it coming in, flowing just straight to my pockets. Flowing straight in my pockets. If you want to take a part in Asian kindness yourself, you've got my first link in the description. Besides that, the market is bearish now, which is awesome. We can just short it and short and short it, but I don't like the green candles going all over the place. I don't like the green candles. We got the green candles somewhere. There. It seems to be a reversal, or maybe just a mild fluctuation. We'll continue having the downfall right about there. 1800, keeping it flowing in, keeping it coming into the pockets. Keeping it coming into the pockets. You sure to right about that. Here we coming in, the money goes out. Here we coming in, and the money goes out. Okay, let's proceed to the nation contest. We got 30k on the balance. Got 30k on the balance, and we are gonna start boosting the donations now. Need some funds. No, it's a demo sucker fan. 30 grand, send funds. Okay. You can take a part in nation contest yourself. You've got the first link in the description. Thank you kindly. 350. I'll write to that. The first one is Steven. The Steven, and the Steven. Yeah, you cannot use the wallet on the same account. But if you know, you know. My guy just doesn't know it. The first one is for 5 RMs. Let's get it done. My market is cool. The market is straight. The market is more than fine. The market is more than fine. 658. Here we coming in. Here we coming in. Max it out. Max it out. Max it out. Max it out. Yeah, but I'm ignoring it as well. Increase the amount. Make a call somewhere above there. Hi, Eugene. How's it going? How's it all going? How's it 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 going? Is it all fun? Is it all clean? Is it all cool? Is it all nice? Got a second one in a row. Yep, it's all there. It's all just there. It's all just there. My God, dear Lord. It's all just there. Let's keep it up. The next one, the next one, the next one, the next one is also there. Oh, that's good to hear. That is good to hear. The third one seems to be going through as well. Got two of those left, but there's a clean downtrend. We've got the calmest market out there in a long time. Here we're coming into 20,100, keeping it dead away, keeping it dead away. Exit out, 23, 25. Yeah, but let's go, the good vibes. I'm calm today. I just have to make two more. Let's not make that complicated. Echo right about there. Echo right about now. Here we go. Here we go. What do I 72? Here you go. And the last one, what about the last one? Gonna increase the amount. We're gonna be trying to find an uptrend. No, we ain't gonna find an uptrend. Not yet, at least. Not yet. If it fell down to the level of 0, it should be bouncing from the floor. Got a place over for the girl. I could have shuttered it. I could have shuttered it. And go on the bottom. Oh, that is the transfer edge of the most basic one. That is the transfer edge backed up with a Bollinger Bands and the sketch oscillator 14 for free. I didn't make a mistake. Didn't make a mistake at all. Here, they've got it. They've got a first withdrawal for today. They've got a first freaking withdrawal for Steven. Steven is a winner today. Let me proceed to make a withdrawal. If you want to take the Power Donation contest yourself, you've got the first link in the description. Thank you, kindly. 5 more attempts, reverse, and you'll be fine. Yeah, we're coming in. A withdrawal request has been sent. So the next one is Blaze. 5 attempts. All right, let's just do that. The market is calm. So we'll be all there. We'll be all there. Yeah, congrats, Steven. Congrats, Steven. You are the winner of today's day. The next one is Blaze. 15. Yeah, we've got a stable market out there. The market isn't chopped at all. Got a stable market, so it should be cool. Gonna be trying to find the lowest point. Gonna be scalping it. Gonna be just scalping it. We are scalping the server OTC on the PL. That is what that is. Jeff trades. They're just scalping it out there. For 50. Okay, we can place it somewhere about there. Here we're coming in. Gonna be walking by the trend and getting something, and in the process, here we go. I showed you right about there. My God, for $50. The first link in the description. Specify the amount of items, specify your wallet, and we shall send it back. And it will take like 15 minutes to process the donation. So just send me a screenshot for a third link in the description. Max it out. Gotta max it out. Did I miss the button? Here we go. 659.33. That is our Velvet. That is our Velvet. That is our Velvet. That is our Velvet. Wait for it. Wait for it. I've got a plateau on the bottom. The plateau on the bottom. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. It should be going through. It should be going through a second attempt. It should be going through. Oh, yeah, we have it. Yeah, we have it. 1200. Okay, dokie. Here we coming in. Max it out. 1200. Showed you right about there. My God, it's a small plateau. It is a small plateau. Fine, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Two more attempts for withdrawal. It seems that you are getting a place. But ain't about it, so manual. It's so manual. I'm doing it myself. I'm doing it myself. Yeah, thank you, watching for the clarification. It's a little bit of chapped, but I think that I can handle it. I think that I can handle it. I can just handle it. What's the process for donation kindness? You've got to make a donation through the first link in the description. You've got to specify the amount of items. The first one is always covered. You got to specify your wallet, on which I'll send it back, like the TSC20, the ERC20, the BTC, etc. And that is how you'll do it. You can just ask for one of them because one of them is safe. The first one is covered. But the more you ask for, the bigger the risk. Like 5 items is a risk as hell, but it gets you a payout of 8 grand. But it's volatile, like maybe a 1 out of 3. 5 items get through. Guys, we've got to have 5 consecutive items. That is the PO web, the target option web. Here we're coming in, 2100 on the shorty. Yep, I've got it through. Just caught it by the tail. I just caught it by the tail. Alright, then. 350. 350 is the minimum items. Here you go. Here goes the link. If you want to take the part yourself, gotta use that one. Let me make the last one. I will make a withdrawal. I'm pretty much sure that there's gonna be an uptrend. Just let me think about it. Just let me think about it. Yeah, thank you for the clarification, wood chip. Adding something to it. Besides that, okay, I call that. It goes somewhere about out there. Here we coming in, and the money will be going out. Mhm. Yep, here we go. Here you go, the Blaze. We've got two winners with 5 attempts. Jesus Christ. Two winners with 5 attempts in a row. And the next one is Cannel, by the way. The guy's made that episode of 2 grand recently. He's withdrawn 6. And you are willing to risk it yet again. Okay, Cannel. Gonna be doing that for you. 836. Oh, it's okay. It's 8K. It's 8 grand. Wait. Gotta fix amount. It's 8 grand. You've asked for 8 grand. I'm gonna say $200 for myself. Thank you kindly for the tip. CSC 20. Continue. Oh, red event. Thank you for the tip, my bro. Gonna save it up for myself. If you want to leave me a tip, please just ask for a fixed amount. 5 attempts will give me some. We'll give you like 80 to 100. You know, you can just keep it 200 for myself. Oh my god, if it wasn't a withdrawal. Okay. 112, 122, 35. Here you go. You got a withdrawal. You gotta have a withdrawal. The next one's scan off red amps. Max it out for red amps. So let's get it done with red amps. Doesn't seem too volatile in this market. Besides that, we've got the columnist market on the wick. Like we've got the columnist market on the it's not sharp at all. I don't see the last formations. I can just see the clear opportunities. If you want to take a part yourself, got a first link in the description. Thank you, Garland. I'm from the United States, bro. Awesome. How's it all going? How's it all going? Did you try out the bucket option yourself? Yeah, if you're the slave to the emotions, to the rush of dopamine hitting your head once you get a withdrawal. You are gonna get it. You are gonna get it. You're gonna buy yourself a fancy it out. I can't write about that. Seems to be the lowest points. They've struck the level of 20 on the stochastic oscillator. Even below that, the level of 0. Here we're coming in. The money goes out. That is how we do it. All right, Lucius. I'll get out of here. Whatever you want. 658. Right, 2 more to go. Just 2 more to go. You'll get a withdrawal of 2400, something around it. Max it out. Gonna be trying maybe to place a cost somewhere about it. It's already chopped a little bit, but I guess I can handle it. Yeah, the market is spoiling a little bit. The market is spoiled in course seminar. The market is spoiled in course seminar. Right then. Wait for it. The candles are way too small. I'm expecting a reversal to come into play. Yeah, the candles are super weak. Here we go. I was just afraid of a lot. Here we come. Yeah, that is how it is. That is how we do it. We found a reversal, we abused it, and here goes the cash. One less attempt before withdrawal. And here we come. 1200. Max it out. It should to somewhere about that from a level 80. We shouldn't be breaking the level. We should be bouncing. Yep. Here you go, Hannah. Here you go. We cannot spoil. It's a little bit. My God. Can we get it? Jesus Christ. Yeah, that is what I told you. Sorry, Kennel. You were the winner many, many times over, but today you're not a winner. The market has spoiled. That is what I was talking about. I thought that I'm having it, but now 12 wins in a row, that is way too much. We've got 2 big withdrawals in a row, but, you know, if you risk it, you risk it. Sometimes it just doesn't go through. Sorry for that, Kennel, but you already got a lot of withdrawals. You've got a withdrawal like 20Ks already, something like it. I guess you didn't lose much. You gotta try the next time. But besides that, the market is spoiled. Because you see the formations yourself. We got no clear trends and downtrends. We've got to risk it. Yeah, sorry for you, Kennel. You are gonna be the lucky one the next time. So the next one is Zenny. Let's make it for the Zenny. We've renewed the counter, and we should be winning now. Yeah, I'm just feeling sorry for you, Kennel. It is always a loss, no matter how rich you are. Sorry that I couldn't make it. Yeah, market ain't for the weak. You've got to be strong in your mind to survive and thrive in the jungles of the market. Thank you to the channel. Thank you too. You're gonna have it. You are gonna have it the next stream. You are gonna have it. Okay. Here goes the first one. Gonna make a call somewhere about there. I've got a golden curve. And the golden curve has decided, yeah, the market is spoiled. The market is spoiled. 5 seconds for the candles, 15 seconds for the deals. The first one is covered. So we'll just if we donate, is it guaranteed that we get it? Yeah, it is. It is guaranteed. Just specify the amount of items and specify your wallet with the rules and you'll be cool. Okay, the first one is covered. Let's try it out, but the market is chopped, my guys. Let's try it out. The first one is always covered. You can just ask for one attempt. And you'll get 2 chances if I lose the first one. Most of the guys, you get a withdrawal. Here we're coming in. So we got 2 big withdrawals in a row. The market has decided to spoil. Now it's a battlefield. Gonna be placing it somewhere above there. Gonna be bouncing over level of 80. Here we go. Here we're going in. 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 That is how we do it. Yep, let's get it done. If you want to make a donation yourself, if you want to take the buy donation counters, you've got the first link in the description. It takes some time to process your donations, my guys, so you've got to send me the screenshot of your donation through the third link to my Telegram messages. Somewhere about, the James straight at end to the questions and feedback. 58. Mm-hmm. 658 in a call. Gonna be abusing the uptrend. That is the PL web, the buy option web. The buy option web. Here we have it. Here we have it. Here we have it. 2 more to go. 2 more to go. It seems that we've got it. It seems that we've got it. It seems that we've got it. How does a donation work? You make a donation, you get yourself on the list. You ask for the amount of attempts, like 1 attempt, and I just deposit your money into the PL and I trade for you, and I get a withdrawal for you. That is how it works. But if I lose it in the process, it's lost. So you've got to risk something to get something. We'll trade it by the martingale strat, and I'll use my full power to get you withdrawals. Okay, gonna be bouncing from a level of 20. Just wait for it. Just use the first link. And it's a plateau. And it's a plateau, and it doesn't bounce and breaks the level. So for you, Zenny, you ain't getting a withdrawal for you. Gotta try your luck the next time. You ain't getting a withdrawal for you. The market is spoiled. So the 2 guys has just taken away the money for themselves. The Blaze and the Steven have decided to risk it all, and we've got it through, and you couldn't get it with 4 amps. Sorry for you. I'm really sorry for you. What about the McQueen? And what about the McQueen? Let's get it done. Let's get it done. We gotta have a good piano for withdrawals today. Damn, yeah. I'm sorry about you, Zenny. Really sorry about you. But you and the channel are unlucky guys today. You ain't having it. The market is spoiled. Yeah, those victories have taken everything. But I guess we are gonna have it for the McQueen because we can have the downtrend, but like a low streak all the time. What's my strat? I use the basic one, the transfer strategy, whatever the Bollinger Bands and the stochastic oscillator, 14 for free. Identify the lowest points, the highest points, the uptrends, the downtrends, the price action movement. It is enough to make you guys withdraw most of the times. 5 seconds on the candles, 15 seconds on the deals. The next one is McQueen, Sarah, Adam, Cruz, Mark, and Sam. Okay, here we have it. Here we have it. Here we have it. That is how we do it. That is how we do it, my bros. That is how we do it. Like how somewhere about there. Here we're coming in, and the money will be going out. Here we go. That is how we do it. That is how we do it. 658 and a call. Max it out. Yet another one. Just give me some time to think about it. 3 more to go. 3 more to go. Yep, at broker level. It's gonna be an uptrend for some time. We've got it through. Yeah, we got it through. We got it through. Hi, Byron Blast. Yeah, we've got it through. We've got it through. We've got it through. 1200. 2 more to go. Oh my god, it's okay now. Yep, it's clean. It's clean. Yep, it's clean. It's super clean. You're just one lucky one, Zany and Kennel. You're just one lucky ones. I'm sorry for you, but the market is clean now. You got into the turbulence. But the McQueen seems to be victorious today. Seems to be a downtrend, kind of a break level 80. Yep, weak again, we're going down, but it might bounce a little bit. That is what I'm afraid of. Yep, it did the thing. It just did the thing, and I'm glad I didn't do that. And by the way, my guys, don't forget to give me out some likes and the subs. Thank you kindly. I'm gonna be streaming every day, starting from 6:30 p.m. UTC -5 for 2 hours, so be sure to subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna be waiting for you, Kyle. Gonna be waiting for you. Here we're coming in. The code seems to be going out. Mm-hmm. 2300. Here we go. Wait a second. Wait for it. Gotta make the last one. Gotta make the last attempt. So the level of 80 seem to be breaking it yet again. Here we go. But it seems to be the highest point, and I just got it by the tail. Jesus Christ! I just got it by the tail. That is how we do it. That is how we do it. Final withdrawal from McQueen. Withdrawal from McQueen. Here we go. That is how we do it. That is the bucket option web. That is how we do it. That is how we do it. Let's make a withdrawal. Okay. It was your wallet 4372. Boom, boom, boom. And what was your wallet? I gotta find your wallet. Here you go. Here you go in. BTC. Okay, that is how you do it. A withdrawal request has been sent. Haven, how's it going? The McQueen is victorious today. The next one is Sarah, 4 grand. Okay, something like 4 M's. Could have asked for 5, to be honest. No, I don't. The bucket option doesn't want to give me a referral link. It has banned their social trading referral links for me. So I am giving away the referral links for the platform. Just training for myself, just boosting donations. Even if you want to take a part in donation kindness yourself, you've got to use the first link in the description. Yeah, you go. Wait for it. Now I won't sell. That ain't a button to sell. That is a button to buy something. And to get something is a result, 658. Okay, 3 more to go. Yeah, Pascal, I know what I'm doing. Oh, Richard, how's it going? How is it going? Max it out. Sure, you're right about that. 658. Got it through, got it through, got it through, got it through, got it through. Thank you, Olida. Got it through. 2 more to go. 2 more to go before a withdrawal. I can get it through. I can get it through. If I might get it spoiled, but who cares? Who cares? Who the fuck cares about it? Our victory is the victory. Max it out. 2 more to go. Gonna be trying to make a call somewhere about there. I messed it up a little bit. Yeah, if I mess it up, I won't be making a call. Wait for it. Amir Umar Shazad. How's it going? How's it going? It showed you right about there. Okay, what's the ritual level of 8 here? Here we go. Here we go. That is the transfer. I try to identify the lowest points, the highest points. I use the price section of Recognostic Psychology. I also use the Bollinger Bands to back it up, and the Stochastic Oscillator to identify the downtrends and uptrends. Here we go, 2100. Here we're coming in, Viscera. You seem to be getting a withdrawal. Just wait for it. Wait for it. I don't want to spoil it. Gotta mix it out, and we will be proceeding. We'll be proceeding to make it there. Sika Hopper. Dmitry. How's it all going? How's it all going? How's it all going, my champs? How's it all going? Good it is. Kane. The lowest points brings the highest victories. Here we go, Sarah. Here we go. Here we go. Gotta make a withdrawal for you. Zane, look out for it. Yep. Let me check it out. I don't understand your strategy. Can I explain? Yep, I can do that. Basically, I'm using the like trend strategy. My name is Mr. Trend. I'm using the Bollinger Bands to back it up. I'm using the Stochastic Oscillator 14 through 3. And okay. Yep, I do. I do. You've got the first link in the description if you want to take the part yourself. Just specify the amount of items, rate the rows, and specify your route on which I'm gonna send it back. Okay, 4374. Here we go. I'm gonna be looking out for the Zeni. It just needs the time to process. Just needs the time to process. Yep, you're right. Yeah, withdrawal request has been sent. Thank you for the tip. Thank you for the tip. Here we're coming in. The next one is NAM. The NAM guy. You've got the first link in the description. Let me paste it into the chat. It's a reskin for it. There you go. Here we're coming in. The money goes out. Hi, Marcus. Amicus, how's it going, Amicus? How is it going, Amicus? How is it going? Yep, it is covered. Just as Corona attempt, the first one is covered. And you get yourself a place. You're gonna be waiting, maybe for 10 minutes until the nation processes. Yep, I'll try to do that, Connie. I'll try to do that. I made a call on the lowest point. Hold on, 658. Hello there. Scalping the server OTCs on the PL web. Scalping the server OTC on the pocket option web. Here we're coming in and the money goes out. Oh, okay. Okay. If you want to send me the screenshot, you've got to use the third link in the description. Here it goes. It's a screenshot for the confirmation. Okay. I ain't gonna be checking the messages on the during the stream, but I'm gonna be checking on the screenshots. Wait for it. We gotta skip it. Alright, a call there. Just gonna be walking by the train, the broker level of 80. Here we coming in. Just watch the streams, watch and observe. And it just stopped growing after breaking the level of 80. What the fuck is that? Sorry for you, Anonym. You are not a big winner today. It didn't work out for you. We've got chances 80 to 20 that it will continue growing because of break the level of 80. That is a law. But it seems that it's just a rule, and the rules have got their own exceptions. Sorry for you. I'm really sorry for you. We've got a lot of losses today, but we've got the biggest withdrawals of all time. So let's proceed to try something else, to try some more. The next one's Cruise. The next one's Cruise for 54 amps. So let's get it down. Let's get it down. The market is a little bit of chopped, but I think we can get around with it. Oh, Jesus Christ, dear Lord and Savior. Yeah, we can get around that. We can get around that. Makes it out for 50. Our city. Let me get it down. Let me get it straight for 50 on a kill. Doesn't seem to be going through. Okay, it was a mistake to try to spot out the reverse point of my plateau. We've got one covered. I'm gonna compensate with my own money. That is a mistake of mine. Sorry for that. That is the first mistake. You weren't sniped out. That it was just a mine mistake. I'm gonna compensate it with my own money. Sorry for that, my guy. Let me make a withdrawal for you. Okay, here goes. Here you go. For a 15, gonna try it yet again. I shouldn't have expected a reverse from the plateau. I just wanted to risk it because I thought, why not? Okay, it's all there. Mix it out. Oh, that isn't the level of 80. Yeah, we've got a super plateau somewhere above there. I'm gonna be trying to play it over bounces, but I'm not really sure about it because I'm just walking by the trend. The plateau isn't my field of trades. But I think we can get around it. If it's got the big candles, we can get around it. Trainer, that is a dark cloud. Yeah, that is a dark cloud. I should have expected it, but I'm not really sure about the growth afterwards. That is why I skipped it. Okay, gonna find my S point. Gonna be walking by the trend. It seems to be a cool down trend. We're gonna stay at a level of 20 for some time. Yep, Kennel. I see the confirmation. You'll get yourself on the list the next time. Okay, you're gonna get yourself on another list. We're gonna deal with your donation today. You've sent it earlier. That is why you're gonna get yourself on the list. You can still make a donation now. It's gonna take like 10 minutes to process. Okay, max it out, 658. It will take some time to process. But it's fine if you still got the time. Gosh. But my guys, don't forget to give out some likes and the subs. Thank you kindly. We are gonna grow a big community in the future. We're gonna grow a big ass community. Just give me some time to play some trades. And we're gonna celebrate in the parades. Thank you, Keno. Thank you, Worship. Thank you so much. You deserve all the love in the world, my guys. Yep. The 5K subs are coming in. Gonna respond to the messages a little bit afterwards. Just wait for it, my boys. Wait for it. Here we come in. Thank you. Bless me, bless me, bless me. Max it out. Make a call somewhere about here. 1200. Yep, it's going on. It's going on here. That is some kind of a wicked still because we don't really have a price changes going there. It's all the same. It's all the same. It's all the same. It's all the same. Max it out. But it was the lowest point. I thought it was gonna skyrocket. Right afterwards, and I did just that. Yeah, it took a long time, but here we go. Here we are. Here we are, and we're gonna achieve something else. Just to wait for it. Wait for it. Yeah, but it's a super uptrend, and I'm afraid of that. It can just end whenever it wants to end. I'm not going to be risking it. Yeah, that shit's high, Matthew. That shit's high for sure. Oh, wait for it. Okay, it didn't end. It didn't end just now. That is one of the big points. All right, then. All right, then. Gonna confirm you. Thank you, Robin guy. And here goes the withdrawal. Here goes the withdrawal. Here goes the withdrawal. Here goes the withdrawal. Here we're coming in, and the money goes out 33.72. Let me find your wallet, and if you want to take a part in Nation Kindness yourself, you've got the first link in the description. Thank you kindly. Here it goes. BTC. Yeah, congrats, Cruz. A withdrawal request has been sent. The next one's Mark. The next one's Mark. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Here we're coming in, that is how we do it. Mark, 3 pips and 4. Yeah, wait for it, wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it, just wait for it. Jesus Christ, wait for it. Just wait for it. Shows you right there. Here you come, the highest point. I'm gonna be falling down from level 20 in no time. There you go. Hi, James. How's it going? How's it going? Thank you, Suzanne. Thank you. 658.36. 658. Gotta max it out. Just wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Yeah, I've got a Siggy. I've got to have a Siggy right afterwards. I'm gonna make it. I always silver because I like it. It's smooth most of the time. Besides that, yeah, I just like it. Here we're coming in. 658.35. My God, it should be bouncing from the lowest point. That is the lowest point. We've gotta have it by an inch, just by one. Oh, that is a slowdown trend. The third link in the description. Yeah, I'm sorry for your mark, but that's a loss. That's a loss. I'm sorry for you. Really sorry for you, but you haven't been lucky one today. We got some of the withdrawals, we got some of the losses. You know, it's a martingale strat. Anything can happen. Sorry for Mark. Yep, we got a withdrawal pending. The next one, Sam for 1 amped. That would be an easy one. That would be an easy walk. Here you come, here you come. Yep. You gotta forgive me. You gotta risk something to get something. We've already got like 25k withdrawals in the course of the stream. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Max it out. Yeah, I'm just increasing the amount of idea all the time to boost the donations. So each amount is a step of a martingale strat. Shot it on my highest one. Here we're coming in. Where money will be going out. Here you go, Sammy. Here you go. You've got your withdrawal. You've asked for one of them. You've got a withdrawal you didn't want to risk, and you've got it through. You didn't want to risk, and you got it through. You're a smart guy. You're a smart guy, to tell the truth. You do know how the rules work. Even if I had slipped, I would make you a refund. Yeah, you go. Let me make a withdrawal. Yeah, you're coming in. Yeah, you coming in. Congrats, Sammy. Congrats. 658. Young Owls, yell out. Okay, okay. A withdrawal request has been sent. The next one is Cano yet again, 102. Or is it for 50? Gotta check it out. Wait a second. Yep, it's 100. 150. By the way, my guys, don't forget that I'm gonna be streaming every day. Yep, I'll do that. But it did. It isn't it is processed yet. I saw his screenshot. It's so good. In the worst case scenario, gonna be hang out to the next stream because it takes some time to process. Beckenna has sent it like 40 minutes away. Something like it, so it takes some time. I've got 20 minutes of a stream, so you'll be fine. Here you coming in, max it out. No knows. You're coming in. Yeah, good luck, I know. You seem to be getting a withdrawal. Maybe not in this life. Yep, here you go. You'll get the first one, and you'll get your second one. You'll get yourself a second one. Good luck, I know. Let's get it done for you. Let's get it done for you. Let's get it done. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Just mix it out. Just mix it out. Sweet. Let's make it rain. Sigma Semi. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Golda. Cavalier. How's it going? I'm sorry for being silent, guys. I'm just trying to do my best. The boundary bands are here for the confirmation of a trend because the stochastic oscillator reacts to anything that happens with the candles. So then 100, yep, you are getting a withdrawal. I deleted the guy messages because he's just, he's just strange to say the least. Aisha, I didn't see in a while. How's it all going? 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 I'm fine. I'm more than fine. Thank you all. Thank you for asking. Thank you for asking. Kano, you're getting a withdrawal. You are getting a withdrawal. Congrats, Kano. On the second attempt, you're getting a withdrawal 1767. Yep, sometimes you can just describe a market with abundance. It just looks like that. If you want to withdraw, you've got to use the first link in the description. Thank you kindly. You've got to use the first one. Max it out. It's a nation contest. Yep. Yep, it is. Thank you, Worship. Here we're coming in. Thank you to the channel. Thank you for the trust. Thank you for participation. If you want to take the part in Nation Kindness yourself, you've got the first link in the description. Let me find it. I'll paste it into the chat. We can still serve some if wait process today. Because it takes some time. It truly takes some time. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Just wait for it. Yeah, Sigma. Yeah, you're right. If you made a nation, you've got to send the screenshot through the third link in the description. For the confirmation, and we're gonna proceed it right away. We got 15 minutes left of the stream. Yep, your seems not to be for tonight. We're gonna boost it tomorrow. We're gonna be boosting it tomorrow. Sorry, but it's still processing. It's still in process. Besides that, I'm quite a bit tired already. So it's better to get you to be the first on the list tomorrow. You'll get the clean market and the fresh head of mine. Mhm. So if you make it now, you'll get yourself places on tomorrow's list. You'll get yourself places on tomorrow's list. You'll be the first one, so have the freshest head and the calmest market. You have more chances, like the two of the first guys, like two first guys that got like 16K in total withdrawals for the day. Thank you, Ja. Mhm. Mm. You're coming in and the money goes out. Shut you right there. Gonna be using the martingale stretch just for me. Yep, the same thing. That is why I've just seen sound waiting for something to happen. Waiting for something to happen. Nah, it's not the power of a clean strategy. The clean strategy. Thank you. Thank you to thank you to Sigma. Thank you too. Max it out, 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 max it out. Max it out. The martingale is going straight to the moon. Yep, you're right. Gonna be just fun trading the rest of the minutes because I'm tired to trade for myself. I just do want to use a martingale strat for shits and giggles. Mhm. Okay, here goes the call, and we know the ball. Here goes the call for the absolute ball. That is how it is. 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 No, we won't make 50K today. Ain't possible at all. The market is chopped. Yeah, probably in total. In total, well, yeah, we can try to do that. What do you mean with timer off? Like without what? What do you mean by that, Ahmed? That is the bug adoption web. That is the bug adoption web we are using. That is the bug adoption web we are using. Here we're coming in. That is a draw. My god, that is a draw. Wait for it. Wait for it. Just wait for it. I'm gonna blot out something. I go right about there. Okay. Gonna do that. Can you send me the screenshot in my private messages? That is the silver OTC. 5 seconds shot. We are scalping the silver there. And in the meanwhile, I've lost. Oh my god, I should have withdrawn. But that is a Matadeo threat, so you see it for yourself. The Martingale is goaded, but it's risky. It's risky as hell. It's risky AF. The amount was way too big. I should have stopped using the Martingale strat. Even I cannot hit. The trigger myself, I cannot hit it. Okay, let's try it out with 2 grand because I'm feeling bored. I want to risk something. I want to feel really running on my running through my veins. You'll get yourself on list tomorrow, Caleb, because we've got 9 minutes of a stream left. You'll be the first with Zenny. You'll get the calmest market. You'll get the freshest head of mine. I won't be tired at all. Yeah, okay. Okay. You're gonna be you're both gonna be on the list tomorrow. We got like 9 minutes to stream because I don't want to end it right now. Otherwise, I would just spoil my metrics and yep, I've got to stream for 2 hours. That is why I do that. Yep, I meant you're right. You are right. You're just right. We're coming in, here we come. Coming in, here we come. Here we're coming in. Mm-hmm. Wait for it. What about my okay, that will work. I'll just remember you. I'll just write you down on the list, Calapan. If you can just, you can contact me from a third link in the description. Mm-hmm. Questions and feedback. Here we go. Just remember your name, Calapan. I'll write it down. Send me a screenshot. Send me everything you've got. You've asking me to do. I'm just gonna write it down as a cap. Okay, it's done. It's done. It's done. Oh my god, it's 7 grand. It's 7 grand to get it in my daughter hands. All right, then. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask those, because we're gonna be wrapping up the session real quick. Gonna be wrapping up the session real quick. We've got a good stream after all. Overall, we've got like 25k in the withdrawals, something like it. We've got a lot of donations. We got a lot of winners today. Bet it up, guys, for tomorrow's list. You can still make a donation to get on the tomorrow's list. You'll be the first ones. You'll get the cleanest market, my first head. You've got the first link in the description. Here you go. And by the way, wait a second. Gonna make a last one for me, myself, and I. And I'm gonna make a withdrawal. The Bollinger Band and the Sticker Oscillator, 14 for free. I'm above like 37k. I would be like about maybe 40 if I manage to get it through. It was a great session. I'm gonna be streaming every day starting from 6:30 p.m. UTC -5 for 2 hours. So be sure to subscribe to my channel so you're not missing out on my streams, you're not missing out on my announcements, on the giveaways, handouts, etc. And by the way, I've got a Telegram channel in which I'll post something cool in the future, so be sure to subscribe. Yeah, you go. It is a link to the chat. Got any questions here? Feel free to contact me for a referral link in the description. If you want to participate in Asian Contest, you got the first one. And the second one is a referral for aquatics. If you want to like try yourself out in aquatics, it's also a good place to trade. Basically, that's it. Yep, I'm gonna respond after the stream. Just wait a little bit. Just wait a little. Counting withdrawals. Yep, then you're right. Then you're right. We got even more than 50k. Way above 50, maybe about 70k. That is why the PO has closed the social trading for me, and I got no referral link anymore. Shut it down, nice point. Guys are already having problems with my withdrawals all across the world, but they cannot just take me down easily as that. Hands up, gentlemen. Hands up. That is a freaking robbery. That is a freaking robbery in the real time. That is a robbery. That's a steal. Okay. I think that we're just going to stop. I'm not going to use the martingale strat anymore. Thank you all for coming in. I think I just can quit. I'll just quit. I'll just quit, my guys. I think I'll just quit. I'll just add up the funds to my wallets and I'll just quit. Fuck it. So it's 43k in total all over the stream. All over the stream, and I'll quit it. I'll just quit it. Thank you all for coming in. I've said all the words I needed to say. I'm gonna be streaming every day, starting from 6:30 to 6:30 p.m. UTC -5 for 2 hours. Thank you all for coming in. That is it. Thank you, watching. Thank you for the clarifications. You are the goat of today's chat. Thank you, Jean, for coming in. Thank you, Olido. Thank you, Zani. Thank you, Kano. Thank you, many, many, many guys who came in. I couldn't remember all of your nicknames, but yeah. Thank you all for coming in. Once again, well done, my guys. Well done. Thank you for the chat. I said everything that I needed to say, and I'm just gonna wave you a goodbye. Bye-bye, my guys. See ya tomorrow. No days off.